आज हम कुछ ट्रिगोनोमेट्री के प्रॉब्लम्स करेंगे, ठीक है। सो इवैल्यूएट, हाउ टू इवैल्यूएट, ओके। द क्वेश्चन इज sin square 82 half degree evaluate sin square 82 half degree minus sin square 22 half degree. So how to evaluate? We have the formula sin square a minus sin square b. क्या है वो formula? What is the formula of sin square a minus sin square b? That is sin a plus b into sin a minus b. Okay, so this is a. Think this is a and this is b. So 82 half degree is a and 22 half degree is b. तो हम अप्लाई कर सकते हैं sin square a minus sin square b. Formula is sin a plus b into sin a minus b. Same way, that is equal to sin a plus b, that is 82 half plus 22 half into sin a minus b, a minus b, that is 82 half degree minus 22 half degree. All right, so 82 half plus 22 half, 82 plus 22 84, 104, half plus half 1, तो 105, तो sin 105 degree into sin 82 half minus 22 half, that is sin 60 degree. Sin 60 degree, 82 minus 22, that is 60, and okay, that is 60 degree, 82 half minus 22 half, correct? So next, sin 60 value root 3 by 2, and what is sin 105 degree? So sin 105 degrees, you can do sin 60 degree plus 45 degree into root 3 by 2. So now 60 plus 45 is 105. So it is in the formula sin a plus b. Sin a plus b का formula क्या है? ना sin a into cos b plus cos a into sin b. So that is sin a, that is sin 60 into cos b. This is a and this is b. So cos b, cos 45 plus cos a, that is 60 degree into sin 45 degree. All right, whole into root 3 by 2. All right, so sin 60 value root 3 by 2 into cos 45 1 by root 2 plus cos 60 1 by 2 into sin 45 1 by root 2 whole into root 3 by 2. It's okay, it's correct. Sin 60 root 3 by 2, cos 45 1 by root 2, cos 60 value, just use the formula. What do you call that? Use the values. Put here cos 60 1 by 2 and sin 45 1 by root 2. So what you are getting? Root 3 into 1, root 3 by 2 root 2 plus 1 by 2 root 2. 1 by 2 root 2 whole into root 3 by 2. That is equal to root 3 plus 1 by 2 root 2. 2 root 2 is the LCM. So root 3 plus 1 into root 3 by 2. So you can write root 3 into root 3, 3. You can write 3 and root 3 into 1, root 3 by 2 to the 4, root 2. So the value of sin square 82 half minus sin square 22 half is equal to 3 plus root 3 by 4 root 2. Okay. So we will evaluate another problem. और एक evaluation करेंगे similar way. Okay. So फार्मूला का यूज कैसा होता है, यहाँ पे फार्मूला किस तरीके से आप अप्लाई करते हैं वो डिपेंड करता है इवेल्युएशन का. हाउ टू इवेल्युएट मीन्स यू शुड नो पर्टिकुलर फार्मूले. sin a plus b, sin a minus b, cos a plus b, cos a minus b. So another problem, we will do another problem, like one more problem is there. Cos square evaluate cos square 112 half degree minus sin square 52 half degree minus sin square 52 half degree. So here is the formula cos square a minus sin square b. Assume it a and assume this b. So what is the formula? Cos square a minus sin square b. Write the formula. Cos square a minus sin square b is equal to cos a plus b into cos a minus b. तो आप ये फॉर्मूला यहाँ पे अप्लाई करना है. तो यू शुड लर्न द फॉर्मूला sin square a minus sin square b, cos square a minus sin square b. So these are the formula which is helpful to evaluate. नेक्स्ट केस क्या करेंगे? तो हम इसको a एज्यूम करें और इसको हम b एज्यूम करें. तो क्या फॉर्मूला क्या हो जाएगा? cos a plus b, that means 112 half degree, 112 half degree plus b is 52 half degree into cos 112 half degree minus 52 half degree. All right. So 112 plus 52. So 54, 64, 164, 165. So cos 165 into cos 112 minus 52. 112 minus 52 0, 60 degree. Okay. Into cos 60 degree. So 165. How to find the value? Okay. You can write cos 165 is cos 180 minus 15 degree. 70, 80. Correct? Into cos 60 value 1 by 2. So cos 180 minus theta. 180 minus theta. Cos का which quadrant? Second quadrant. So second quadrant में cos negative. So that is minus cos 15 into 1 by 2. So cos 15 is what? Cos 180 minus theta minus cos theta. So minus cos 15 degree. Cos 15 degree, you should know the value. So how to evaluate cos 15 degree, sin 15 degree, tan 15 degree? उसके लिए हम वैल्यू भी फाइंड आउट कर सकते हैं. ठीक है. तो 15 इज यू कैन राइट 60 माइनस 45. जैसे कि पिछले प्रॉब्लम में हम 105 डिग्री तो 16 प्लस 45 करे थे. यहाँ पे 15 डिग्री तो 60 माइनस 45 डिग्री इंटू 1 by 2. ऑल राइट. सो माइनस ब्रैकेट cos a minus b. What is the formula of cos a minus b? Cos a into cos b plus sin a into sin b. That is the formula of cos a minus b. So cos 60 in cos a into cos b, cos 45 plus sin 60 into sin 45 degree whole into half, or you can write 1 by 2 over here. Okay. Next, what is the value of cos 60? Cos 60 value 1 by 2. So minus 1 by 2 into cos 60 value 1 by 2 into cos 45 1 by root 2. 1 by root 2 plus sin 60 root 3 by 2 into sin 45 1 by root 2. So minus half into LCM 2 root 2. So 1 plus root 1 the root 3. Okay. So you can write minus of multiply 1 plus root 3. Yeah, root 3 plus 1 into 2 multiply 2 to the 4 root 2. So the value of cos square 112 half degree minus sin square 52 half degree is equal to minus of root 3 plus 1 whole by 4 root 2. Right? So after this we will do one more problem like where is the duster? Similarly, you can do any questions. Sin square 30 minus cos square 45 degree. Any questions. So using this formula, you can evaluate. अभी और एक क्वेश्चन करेंगे we will solve it one more questions like, there is a question like this. Tan alpha, if tan alpha minus tan beta is equal to m, it's given. Tan alpha minus tan beta is equal to m. Cot alpha minus cot beta is equal to m. Then prove that. The question is cot alpha minus beta. Cot alpha minus beta is equal to 1 by m minus 1 by cot. This is cot. Cot alpha minus beta is equal to 1 by m minus 1 by n. You have to prove it. So given, two things are given. So how to prove this is equal to this? Okay. So what is given? Question is, given is tan alpha minus tan beta equal to m. Alright. So tan alpha minus tan beta is equal to m. Okay. So that implies, what is the formula of tan alpha in terms of cot? That is 1 by cot alpha. Tan alpha is the reciprocal of cot alpha. So 1 by cot alpha minus tan beta is 1 by cot beta is equal to m. Alright. That implies LCM cot alpha into cot beta. So cot beta minus cot alpha. Cot beta minus cot alpha is equal to m. So cot beta minus cot alpha. What is cot beta minus alpha? You can write here. Cot beta minus cot alpha means minus of cot alpha minus cot beta. That means a minus b. A minus b को आप कैसा लिख सकते हैं? Minus of b minus a. Same way, cot beta minus cot alpha, that is minus of cot alpha minus cot beta by cot alpha into cot beta is equal to m. Okay, why I am writing? आप इसे क्यों लिख रहे हैं? क्योंकि cot alpha minus cot beta given n. So that is equal to minus n by cot alpha into cot beta is equal to m. So m by n is equal to, so what is cot alpha and cot beta? That means cross multiply. If you cross multiply, m into this is equal to minus n. So cot alpha cot beta is equal to, you can write cot alpha cot beta is equal to minus n by m. Minus n by m. Cross multiply m into this is equal to minus n. So this is equal to minus n by m. Okay, if you cross multiply, you can get the value. So you got cot alpha into cot beta is equal to minus n by m. Okay. So, but you have to prove this. Okay, come to the proof. How to prove this? What is the formula of cot alpha minus beta? Cot a minus b. Cot a minus b formula? Cot b into cot a. That means cot beta into cot alpha plus 1 by cot beta minus cot alpha. Cot a minus b is cot b into cot a plus 1 by cot b minus cot a. Okay. So cot b into cot alpha. Okay. Cot beta into cot alpha. Cot beta into cot alpha is minus n by m. Substitute here. Minus n by m plus 1 by cot beta minus cot alpha. Cot beta minus cot alpha is equal to minus n. Because cot alpha minus cot beta n. So cot beta minus cot alpha is equal to minus n. Substitute here. Minus n. That is equal to, so here is m LCM. So minus n in plus m whole by minus n. So minus n by 1 means into, if you do, minus 1 by n. Reciprocal. Okay. So that is minus n plus m. That means m minus n. You can write m minus n into minus 1. That means minus of mn. Or you can write, okay, minus multiplied m minus n I wrote as it is by nm. So you can write better minus m plus n you can write, or you can write m by mn, split it, minus n by mn. M by mn, split it, minus n by mn. So mn cancel, nn cancel. What remain? Minus of 1 by n minus 1 by m. So if you multiply minus here, this will be minus and this will be plus. So answer is, you got 1 by m minus 1 by m. If you open the bracket, it will be 1 by m minus 1 by n, which is RHS. So quad alpha minus beta is equal to, proved it, 1 by m minus 1 by n. Hence, proof. So like this, you have few problems to prove it. Two things are given. ऐसे दो चीज दिया जाता है, आपको और एक कुछ प्रूफ करना है, तो इससे आप इसी तरह से आप सिंप्लीफिकेशन करके प्रूफ करना है. All right, we will do one more problem. Fine. So the question is how to expand. We have certain question like expansion of, you will do some expansion problem in trigonometry. How to expand? Sin A plus B, sin A plus B minus C. Sin A plus B minus C. Okay? How to expand? इसी तरह से क्वेश्चन, आपको sin A plus B एक्सपांड किया तो क्या मिलेगा आपको? sin A into cos B minus cos A into sin B. But here is sin A plus B minus. इसी तरह से आपका ट्रिगोनोमेट्री में क्वेश्चन आता है. ठीक है, तो इसको एक्सपांड कैसे करेंगे? बेटर A प्लस B को आप एक अल्फा ले लीजिए, ये बीटा ले लीजिए. सो साइन अल्फा माइनस बीटा फॉर्मूला, साइन अल्फा इंटू कॉस बीटा माइनस cos alpha into sin beta. So sin alpha, that is A plus B, into cos beta, that is cos C. Sin alpha into cos beta minus cos alpha, alpha is A plus B, into sin beta is C. Clear? Sin A into cos B, I mean sin alpha into cos beta minus cos alpha into sin beta. Okay? Now it is easy to expand. Sin A plus B. What is sin A plus B? That is, write cos C here first. Right here. Expand it, sin A plus B. Sin A into cos B plus cos A into sin B. Alright. Minus sin C into cos A plus B formula. Cos A into cos B minus sin A into sin B. Minus sin A into sin B. So सारे प्रॉब्लम्स आपको फॉर्मूला के ऊपर बेस करता है, तो आपको फॉर्मूला लर्न करना जरूरी है. ठीक है, तो आप अब क्या करना है? मल्टीप्लाई. यूज डिस्ट्रीब्यूटिव प्रॉपर्टी, दिस इनटू दिस प्लस दिस इनटू दिस. cos C into sin A into cos B. So cos C into sin A into cos B. Again cos C into this. So cos C into cos A into sin B minus sin C into this minus sin C into this, that is minus sin C into cos A into cos B, again minus sin C into minus sin A into sin B, that is plus sin C into sin A into sin B. So nothing is cancelled here. Okay, so this is the expansion. तो आप कौन सी प्रॉब्लम को आप एक्सपांड कर सकते हैं? Like cos A minus B plus C, yes, tan A plus B minus C. So any question you can expand. So this is the expansion problem and how to expand it. You have to follow this way. Okay, fine. We'll do some more problems. You have one more problem like expansions के problem हो गया. अभी हम और एक problem करेंगे. ठीक है? you have one more problem. Like the question is, if a minus b is equal to 3 pi by 4, and show that 1 minus 10a into 1 plus 10b is equal to 2. Prove that. So given is this. So you have to prove this into this is equal to 2. So what is given? A minus b is equal to 3 pi by 4. 3 pi by 4 means, what is 3 pi by 4? So if you want to in numeric value, this is in pi terms. So better you can do 3 by 4 into 180 degree. You can do it this way. So 4 times 1, 4 4 16, 45 times 3, 135 degree. Okay, fine. So taking tan on both sides. So better you can write a minus b is equal to 135 degree. If you are not comfortable with pi terms, you can convert into in this term. So taking tan on both sides. So tan of a minus b is equal to tan 135 degree. So what is the value of tan 135 degree? Tan 135 degree. So you can write 90 plus 45. Tan 90 plus 45, 135 degree. So 90 plus theta minus cot theta minus cot 45. That is minus 1. Cot 45 value 1. So that is minus 1. So what is tan A minus B? Tan A minus tan B by 1 plus tan A into tan B is equal to minus 1. Now cross multiply implies tan A minus tan B is equal to multiply minus 1 with this. That is, this is minus 1 and this is also minus tan into tan B. So minus 1 minus tan A into tan B. Okay. Alright. So get this term to left hand side. So tan A minus tan B. Tan A minus tan B, get to this side, minus tan A into tan B. इसी टर्म्स को हम लेफ्ट हैंड साइड में ट्रांसफर कर दिए, तो ठीक है. अब यहां पे क्या बचा है? माइनस 1. ठीक है, तो दिस टर्म्स you got this side, so this become minus tan and tan B become plus tan into tan B. Minus tan and tan B come to this side, so become plus tan and tan B, and this become as it is. Minus 1 is as it is here in RHS. Okay, now what will you do? So tan B and tan B common you can do. Okay, so or else tan A common, this with this or this with this, anyone you can take common here. So better tan A common. So what it 1, leave this here. Tan A common means only tan B, 1 plus tan B. Okay, better you can get this side, minus 1 को भी इस तरफ लेके आ जाएंगे. So it become plus 1. Okay, is equal to 0. माइनस 1 के भी इस तरफ लेके आएंगे, प्लस 1, ये भी इस तरफ लेके आ गए. चलिए, अब बचा क्या है? tan A प्लस 1. सो tan A into tan B common, tan A 1 plus tan B, and what remain? 1 minus tan B. This is plus 1. Okay, so 1 minus tan B. 10a minus 10b by 1 plus 10a into 10b. All right. So 1 plus 10b common, 10a common, 1 plus 10b, and what remain? 1 minus 10b. But it should be 1 minus 10a. 10a minus 10b by 1 plus 10a into 10b, that is both are minus. Okay. Duster. Fine. So now you got 10a minus 10b is equal this got to this side, plus 10 into 10b and plus 1 is equal to 0. Okay. So first of all, you multiply these two. Fine. 1 minus 10a into 1 plus 10b. Okay. So this you should get 2. Fine. Multiply. 1 into 1, 1. 1 into 10b, 10b. Minus 10a into 1, minus 10a. And minus 10a, 10b. Okay. So now what will you do? Here will you do. So यहाँ पे आपको कुछ अनकंफर्टेबल लगता है क्योंकि आपको मैं यहाँ पे कॉमन निकालने के लिए कोशिश कर रहा था, यहाँ पे कॉमन, बट यहाँ पे कॉमन नहीं आ रहा था। तो आपने क्या करना है, यहाँ पे मैं मल्टीप्लाई करके 2 वैल्यू को लेके आना है। तो हम यहाँ कोशिश करें, यहाँ पे कोई कॉमन मल्टीपल्स नहीं आ रहा है। सो हम यहाँ पे क्या करेंगे, आप यहां से आपको हेल्प नहीं मिल रही तो लीव इट। 10a minus 10b is equal to -1 minus 10 into 10. Why I erase it? Because यहाँ पे मैं आप इस तरफ लेकर आके कॉमन फैक्टर्स निकाल रहा था, बट उसी से आपको ये वैल्यू नहीं आ रहा था, तो इसलिए आप यहीं पे स्टॉप कर लेना और यहां से हम प्रूफ करने के लिए कोशिश करना है। ठीक है। जस्ट व्हाट आई डिड, आई जस्ट मल्टीप्लाई। ठीक है। ओके। सो 10a minus 10b you got from till here, from this given conditions. Fine. ठीक। तो right here 1 10a into -1 minus 10b, -1 minus 10b, and 10a minus 10b given. Okay, you can write 1 plus 10b minus 10a is minus common, or else this is an easy way. You can do it anyway. 10a minus 10b, I want to do 10a minus 10b, I should put this value, or else get this value here and you can put anything you can do. 10a minus 10b. You can do any in your own way. You can do 10a minus 10b and minus 10a into 10b. What I did, again I repeat, what I did here, 10b minus 10a को हम क्या लिखे, माइनस ऑफ 10a minus 10b. Why? क्योंकि 10a minus 10b को हम वैल्यू सब्स्टिट्यूट कर देंगे. ठीक है. तो 1 माइनस ऑफ व्हाट इज 10a minus 10b, माइनस 1 minus 10a into 10b as it is. Substitute this value over here. ये as it लिख दीजिए, minus 10a into 10b. ओके. मैं इसी तरह से किया. आप बोलेंगे नहीं मैं इस तरह से करना चाह रहे हैं, आप बोलेंगे नहीं मैं इस तरह से करना चाह रहा हूं. कैसे कि हम ये सारे वैल्यू सब लेकर जाएंगे, -1 का वैल्यू हम यहाँ पे भी सब्स्टिट्यूट कर सकते हैं. सो एज योर विश, आप किसी तरह से भी आप वैल्यू 2 ला सकते हैं RHS में. ठीक है. तो 1 माइनस माइनस प्लस 1 plus 1 minus with this plus 10a into 10b. Here minus 10a into 10b. Cancel. So 1 plus 1 2. That is your RHS. So it is up to you. आप जिसी तरह से आप यहाँ पे एकोमोडेट कर सकते हैं. किसी को यहाँ से लेके ये वैल्यू, ये 10 and 10b का वैल्यू भी यहाँ सब्स्टिट्यूट कर सकते हैं, या इसका वैल्यू भी सब्स्टिट्यूट कर सकते हैं. किसी भी उपाय में आप कर सकते हैं. But you will get finally 2. So that's the way of explanations. आप इसी को किसी तरह से भी कर सकते हैं. So ये very important problem है. ज्यादातर ये क्वेश्चन आता है एग्जाम में. ठीक है. So today's class. That's all for today's class. Okay. Fine. पॉइंट इज यू हैव टू लर्न एज मैनी एज फॉर्मूला। अगर आपको फॉर्मूला परफेक्ट हो गए, लर्न कर लिए, तो आप किसी भी प्रॉब्लम को आसान से कर सकते हैं। ओके, थैंक यू।